The 5 best Omegle alternatives. Which one is worth trying? Omegle might have been the go-to for random chats with strangers, but let's be honest, it's far from perfect. From bots and trolls to safety concerns, many users have started looking for better alternatives. Whether you're into making new friends, practicing a language, or just killing time with a bit of harmless fun, there are safer, more modern alternatives to Omegle that offer real connections and way better features. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best Omegle alternatives and helping you decide which one is actually worth trying. Let's go from number 5 to number 1 and the app at the top. It just might change the way you meet people online. 5Stay, TinyChat. Starting off the list is TinyChat, a platform that blends video chat and group chat rooms in a unique way. With TinyChat, you can join topic-based chat rooms, host your own video stream, connect with users through both video and text. It's ideal if you want a more structured chat experience and enjoy jumping into conversations based on shared interests. The platform supports up to 12 video streams per room, making it perfect for group discussions or low-key hangouts. It's available on both Android and iOS and has a desktop version too. The downside? You'll encounter some ads and the occasional spammer, but overall, TinyChat is a solid upgrade from Omegle's randomness. For Hola. Next up is Hola, a swipe-style video chat app that feels like a mix between Omegle and Tinder. Here's what makes Hola interesting. Live one-on-one video chats with real users. Swipe to connect with someone new. Filters for language, gender, and region. The design is modern and mobile-friendly, and the app even includes real-time translation, making it easier to connect across cultures. While Hola offers a free version, premium features like filters and unlimited swipes come at a cost. Still, if you are looking for a fast, casual way to meet new people, Hola is worth a try. 3. Charo. Chat Roulette. Yes, it's still around, and yes, it's much better than you remember. Chat Roulette was one of the original Omegle competitors, and it has made a comeback with improved moderation and real-time AI filtering. Key features include instant video matching, moderation to block inappropriate content, no account needed. The interface is sleek and minimalist, and connections feel faster and more stable than Omegle. If you like the old-school randomness but want a safer environment, Chat Roulette is a reliable upgrade. 2. Hor. Azar. At number 2 is Azar, a global video chat app that emphasizes cultural exchange and real-time interaction. With Azar, you can match with users in over 190 countries. Use filters and avatars for more controlled experiences. Send instant text messages during video calls. Azar puts a big focus on fun and security. The app uses facial recognition to prevent fake profiles and includes translation tools to help bridge language gaps. While some features require in-app purchases, the free version gives you plenty of opportunities to connect and explore. 1G. Monkey. And taking the number 1 spot is Monkeya Fresh, youth-focused app that brings energy, safety, and personality to random video chats. Monkey stands out with short, timed video chats to keep things light and engaging. Built-in games and icebreakers to spark real conversations. Age filters and active moderation for a safer experience. You can also add friends, send videos, and grow your network within the app, something Omegle never offered. If you're under 30 and looking for a fun, Gen Z-approved alternative to Omegle, Monkey is hands down the most dynamic and community-focused platform out there. So, which one is worth trying? Use TinyChat for group discussions and niche topics. Try Hola if you want quick, swipe-style chats with global users. Go with Chat Roulette if you want classic random video chat with better safety. Choose Azar for international connections and real-time translation. And for fun, fast-paced, safe video chats, Monkey takes the crown. Have you used any of these Omegle alternatives? Which one gave you the best experience? Drop your answer in the comments, and if this video helped you find a better way to connect, give it a like. Remember, always use video chat apps responsibly. Protect your privacy, stay respectful, and report any inappropriate behavior.